What the hell is going on, guys? Welcome back. Man, it has been forever since I've picked up the camera, and it feels really weird. But we're back. You know, a lot has happened in the last few months. Haven't recorded or done anything in like 2-3 months, honestly. As you guys can see from the last video that I posted, it was about 2 months ago or so. But a lot has happened. And Happy New Year's to you guys. I know it's a whole new year. It doesn't even feel like a new year because we're still stuck and quarantine or with this whole COVID stuff going around, and which sucks, but it is what it is. I guess we have to get used to it and make the best out of it. And so I did start a new job. Reason why I haven't like vlogged or done any type of videos lately. I was mostly trying to focus on work and, you know, try to get used to the whole environment there. It's pretty stressful starting something new and being somewhere new. You know, a lot of new people, a lot of new system, like the whole system is new. So, you know, this whole time I've just been I've been saving up money, obviously, you know, because building the Civic is not going to be free. You know, a lot of money is going into it. A lot of money is going to, you know, be going into it. So I want to, you know, save up a good amount of money so when I do spend that money, it doesn't affect me as much. You know, I do have bills. Everybody has bills, you know, rent and car note and insurance. All that adds up throughout the month, and, you know, you guys understand. You guys know where I'm coming from. So with that being said, I picked myself up a truck. I've always wanted a bigger car, a bigger SUV, well, like an SUV. Reason why, because I have a pretty big family. I have, well, my sisters, my siblings, they have a lot of kids. And, you know, I don't have any kids myself, but I'm always with the kids. I'm always picking them up, taking them places. You know, they want to always go, you know, places and stuff like that. And having the Audi was a 2-door coupe, only a 4-seater, which was terribly small. And I mean, it was good for myself. You know, I was always pretty much by myself because it was so small. A lot of people didn't want to sit in the back seats, and, you know, it's understandable. But going from that car, from a 2-door coupe, into this SUV, it's a big difference. All right, like, it's so freaking long, like, it's huge. I feel like it's big, and it's not the biggest SUV out there, but like, it's pretty big for me coming from a 2-door coupe. So but yeah, I mean, it's not a new, it's a truck, it's a SUV, like I said. But I mean, I'll show you guys in a little bit.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry.
yeah, there it is. That's my new lancha. My big boat. There's a big boat. That shit it's big. Overall, I really like this truck. Like, I've always wanted a truck. I always wanted an SUV, and I like what I have, you know. Growing up, I didn't really have a lot of things, you know. I appreciate everything I have, like, now. So, you know, let me know if you guys want to see some more stuff of the truck. I do have a few things planned, but like I said, I can't do everything, you know, because I also want to finish the coupe. That's one of my main priorities right now. Not main priority. My main priority is, you know, pay off bills and debts and you name it. But I feel like I'm talking way too much. So yeah, I was doing too much talking. So let's go ahead and install this antenna and see if it works. There we go. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. There it goes. Good morning, beautiful people. So today is a new day. God damn, this is out of focus. What's going on? There we go. Perfect. So today is a new day. And we're finally getting into the body work of the coupe. Finally, after how many months? After I don't even remember the last time I even did body work on this car, or even did anything to it, which is horrible, but we're back to it. All right, as you guys can see, we got my compajera over there. He's putting up the tent because he said he doesn't want to burn his bald ass head. That's fucked up, but yeah, we're gonna fucking I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tent with him, make sure everything's set up. I'm gonna go get some. Actually, it's right here. Got myself a beer because I got kind of wasted, not wasted, but I got a little drunk last night, and you know, to make yourself feel a little better, you gotta drink a little bit again, so it kind of even out. But it's cool. Look at this guy breaking my tent. It's already broken, but yeah, once we get into it, I'll pick up the camera and then we'll go from there.